The first part of the supply and demand model that we're going to be going into in depth is the demand curve. The basic idea behind the demand curve is that it shows how much of a good or service consumers are willing and able to buy at different prices. So, how much do you want quantity wise, and how much are you willing to pay for it? Now, how much you're willing to buy is going to change at different prices. I'm going to want a dozen donuts if they only cost 50 cents each. But if they cost $1 each, maybe I'll only take five. Granted, that's me who likes donuts. Maybe you're a little different. So, if you take together everybody's individual version of that and add it together, that's the demand curve. So imagine everybody in society wanting this item and how much they want it. That's demand. Um, and it is governed by exactly what I just said. It's the law of demand. As price increases, quantity decreases. And this is movement along the curve. So if you ever see a phrasing that says price changed, what happened to demand? Your answer is nothing. Quantity of demand changed. You moved along the curve. Other things will shift to demand, but price isn't one of them. Now let's graph demand. So to start with, as always, apologies for my terrible handwriting, you draw your axes. You then label your y-axis price, your x-axis quantity, and then you draw a downward sloping curve. Label it demand. That's it. Now you can see as you move up and to the left along the curve, if you follow my squiggly line, as price increased, quantity decreased. That's the law of demand in action. Of course, you can phrase it the other way, as price decreases, quantity increases.